In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Activecampaign with Facebook ads. To begin, log into your Activecampaign account. Make sure you are using the correct account before you continue, since the integration will be connected to the settings inside that workspace. Once you are signed in, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load so everything is visible and easy to find. From there, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is the gear icon, and it is where Activecampaign keeps your account-level options and connected services. If you are new to the platform, this area is important because many integrations are managed from here rather than from the main dashboard. After you open Settings, look to the menu on the left side and click on Integrations. This section displays the tools and platforms that can connect with your Activecampaign account. It is where you can manage existing connections or add new ones. When the page opens, scroll if needed until you find Facebook in the list of available integrations. Once you locate Facebook, click the Connect button. This will start the linking process between Activecampaign and your Facebook account. Depending on your browser or login status, a Facebook sign-in window may appear right away, or you may be prompted to confirm the account you want to use. Next, log in with your Facebook admin credentials. Be sure to use an account that has the right level of access, since Activecampaign will need permission to connect with the correct Facebook assets. During this process, Facebook will ask you to grant Activecampaign access to your business manager, ads account, and pages. Read through the permission screen carefully, then approve the requested access so the integration can work properly. If you manage multiple business assets inside Facebook, take your time and make sure you select the correct ones before finishing. This helps avoid connection issues later and makes sure your Activecampaign account is linked to the right advertising setup. Once the permissions are approved, the connection should complete automatically, and your Activecampaign account will now be integrated with Facebook ads. That covers everything you need to know.